Welcome to Beautyistic. Let's talk about a product that promises to turn back time. The StriVectin Advanced Retinol Discovery Kit. If you've been on the lookout for a way to tackle fine lines and wrinkles, you've probably heard of this one. But does it really work? Let's break it down. This kit includes two powerful products, StriVectin's Retinol Night Moisturizer and their Multi-Correct Eye Cream. Designed for those who want to target wrinkles, this duo brings the power of retinol to your nightly skincare routine. But how effective are they? And do they live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about the star of the show, retinol. We all know retinol is a gold standard in anti-aging skincare. It works by speeding up cell turnover, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, while improving skin texture and tone. The Retinol Night Moisturizer in this kit contains a potent dose of retinol, which promises to work overnight to smooth skin and reduce visible signs of aging. The Multi-Correct Eye Cream, on the other hand, is specifically designed to target the delicate skin around the eyes. It's formulated to minimize puffiness, dark circles, and wrinkles, three common concerns in the eye area. I've been testing both of these products for a few weeks now, and here's my experience. The Retinol Night Moisturizer has a rich, creamy texture that absorbs into the skin fairly quickly, leaving no greasy residue. It's not as heavy as some retinol products, which I appreciate. It doesn't feel like it's suffocating the skin. After using it for a few days, I noticed that my skin felt smoother and the texture appeared more even. It's not a miracle overnight fix, but there's definitely a gradual improvement. Now, the Multi-Correct Eye Cream is a bit of a game changer for me. The skin around my eyes tends to show the first signs of aging, with fine lines starting to show up more prominently. This eye cream has a lighter texture that absorbs quickly without any sticky feeling, and the cooling sensation it provides is really soothing. After consistent use, I noticed that the puffiness around my eyes was reduced, and the fine lines were visibly softened. It didn't completely eliminate dark circles, but there was a slight reduction in their intensity. Let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the pros, both products are easy to incorporate into your skincare routine. The Retinol Night Moisturizer isn't too harsh for nightly use, which is a big plus, especially if you're sensitive to retinol. I didn't experience the usual dryness or irritation I've seen with other retinol products. The eye cream's cooling effect makes it a treat to apply, and I love that it targets multiple eye concerns with one product. The packaging is sleek, and you get a good amount of product for the price. As for cons, the Retinol Night Moisturizer does take some time to show results. If you're looking for quick fixes, you may be disappointed in the initial few uses. Also, the eye cream didn't completely eliminate dark circles, though I saw some improvement. It's not an overnight miracle, but the results are gradual and more natural. Now onto the value for money. At this price point, you're getting two products that focus on anti-aging with quality formulations. StriVectin is known for its clinical results, and this kit is no exception. If you're someone who's been hesitant to invest in retinol products, this kit offers a nice entry point. You get the benefits of retinol without the overwhelming price tag of more premium products, though it's still a bit of an investment. Comparing it to similar products in the market, StriVectin holds its ground. There are other brands offering retinol-based kits, but this one feels a bit more refined in its approach, focusing on both the face and eye areas. However, if you're on a budget, you might want to explore alternatives with less potent retinol concentrations. Some other brands offer more affordable options with comparable results. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and well-designed. The pump on the Retinol Night Moisturizer ensures you get the right amount of product without waste, and the eye cream comes in a compact, travel-friendly jar. Both products feel luxe, and they hold up well with daily use. Lastly, customer support. StriVectin is generally known for responsive customer service. While I didn't have any direct interaction with them during this review, the brand has a good reputation for handling inquiries efficiently. Is there an update on these products? Not that I've seen, but I would love to see continued improvements in the formulations, especially for sensitive skin types. As for alternatives, if the price feels a little steep for you, there are other retinol-based products that come at a lower cost, but may not pack quite the same punch as StriVectin. Brands like The Ordinary and La Roche-Posay offer great retinol options that could be a more budget-friendly alternative. Now, my final thoughts. If you're looking for a reliable, gradual anti-aging solution, this kit from StriVectin is definitely worth considering. It won't give you instant results, but with consistent use, you'll likely notice smoother with some more youthful skin. It's best suited for those who are ready to commit to a retinol routine and want to target multiple concerns like wrinkles, fine lines, and puffiness, especially around the eyes. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.